This project is a first step toward smarter, real-time monitoring that will help us boost efficiency, improve decision-making, and set the stage for the more connected, data-driven future. So what is our mission? Our mission is to have a zero unplanned stoppages. And one of the highest risks we see is the unplanned stoppages across the production lines, especially when it comes to the high-speed lines, heavily utilized, and almost 24 hours, 7 days a week in operation. So having the real-time, on-time IoT sensors is helping us a lot in understanding and detect and predict any unusual, abnormal performance of our equipment. So the connective maintenance is no longer an option; it is a strategic advantage.